These are the shoes.
Correct. And I just also wanted to clarify that I didn't directly loan the money. He actually had asked me to help him purchase the shoes on the app Sneakers. There's pretty much like a waiting line, and it was actually on my credit, so I didn't outright give him the money.
You actually borrowed money to buy shoes for a man you're dating who can't afford to buy the shoes. Why shouldn't I just interpret it, as he says, as a gift? Maybe you were just trying to do something nice for your new boyfriend.
I don't generally give any money to any of the men that I date.
Did you give him these shoes on Valentine's Day?
I gave him the shoes on Valentine's Day. He had said he was down on his luck, and that was the reason why he wasn't able to afford things in general.
Stop you right there. Sounds to me like a gift to a boyfriend. And frankly, Mr. McAdoo, you don't dispute that you had every intention of paying her back.
I'm correct, Your Honor. I had every intention of paying her back. It was only until she started slandering me that I stopped paying her.
You had an argument at the end of February. You asked for the shoes back. You refused to give them
Correct.
to you.
That was at Manhattan Beach in front of a friend of ours. This is before the first payment was to be made on March 11th. I had received information that he was hitting on mutual friends of mine.
And you got mad.
I asked for the shoes back because I said I was done with the relationship based on the flakiness and other behaviors that he was probably not going to pay me.
Did he make you any payments in March?
Yes, he did make the first payment in March.
How much did he pay you in March?
$64.04. And then I had to actually hound him for payment in April because by that point we had broken up.
There's a critical event that takes place in May. So you allegedly have a sweater or a jacket.
Yes.
She stole that, by the way, from the bench, and he's a witness. We were surfing one day. My hoodie was on the towel on the beach along with my phone. She comes out while we're on the beach surfing, steals my phone, goes to her crib, trying to force me to talk to her and pay her the money because I stopped paying her because she was slandering me.
And is this the moment
that we supposedly got into an altercation?
May 11th, you go to her home trying to get your jacket and your phone
She lets me in the door, yes.
And it's at this time, Ms. Beaumont, you contend that Mr. McAdoo assaulted you.
Correct.
So tell me what happened. Did you take his jacket and his phone?
I did indeed take his jacket off of the beach because, as I expressed,
you took his jacket.
I took his jacket
and my phone.
because
and my cellular phone.
Okay, hang on.
For 2 months,
stop.
I haven't been able to get payment.
You allege at that time that he assaulted you as he was trying to get the jacket back, and you would not return the phone.
No.
Do you admit, sir, that there was some physical contact between the two of you?
No, this is what happened.
No, you're saying no physical contact.
That is an outright lie.
Just explain what happened, please.
Yes, I took his jacket hoping that he would pay me my money because clothing is that important to him. So I took it to my home hoping that he would pay me my money and I would give him the jacket back.
So you're alleging that he physically assaulted you.
Yes.
You submitted in the evidence a police report.
Yes, as well as
were you interviewed by the police, sir?
Not at all.
Were any charges filed
Not
against
at all.
you? Did you attempt to press charges?
Yes, and I'm waiting for a detective to contact me so that I can press charges.
So there are potential charges pending.
Correct.
There could be a criminal prosecution.
There will be.
So I'm going to back off of that. Sir, do you deny that there was any physical contact between the two of you?
Yes.
I'm going to now fast forward to the key parts of Mr. McAdoo's defense. He says that you engaged in conduct that offsets his debt to you. And that conduct, sir, is what you describe as her slanderous defamations.
Yes.
Is one of those defamations an allegation that you physically assaulted her?
Yes,
You're challenging that?
Yes, it's fabrication.
And I'm pointing to your Exhibit C. And there appears to be a social media profile with the name I Hit Women and your name and your picture. Did you set up this account, ma'am?
Yes, there's nothing false on it.
Are you Christopher McAdoo?
No.
So it's a false account.
Okay.
You started a social media profile
because I was
pretending
being
to be him.
Yes.
And saying that he is admitting to hitting women. Where was
ma'am,
this?
may I clarify? Because that's actually not what the page says at all.
The page says I hit women.
I don't know what that is, but the page that I have up to speak out against my abuser says this man assaulted me.
Let's make sure we're talking about the same thing.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
Then you should stop interrupting and not talk over me, and I'll tell you exactly. There's a picture of the defendant. Under the defendant's name is a caption that says, I hit women.
Yeah.
Is it your testimony that you did not establish this profile?
This is not correct. I don't know what this is. This is not what I have written on the page that says Christopher James McAdoo.